Today, I wanted to talk about a topic that I hear people ask about all the time. And that question is, why should I pay an attorney to do a Medicaid application? There are people falling all over themselves to do that application for free. My name is Yana Feldman. I am an elder law attorney in Brooklyn, New York. And today I'm going to talk about why you should have an elder law attorney do a Medicaid application for you or your loved one. I think it's so important that you use an elder law attorney to do a Medicaid application. When I have friends in other states come to me and say, Yana, my grandmother needs to do a Medicaid application. Can you help me? And I say, absolutely not. You need an elder law attorney in your jurisdiction who has experience with your local Department of Social Services. They're the only ones that are going to know how to best assist your family member in submitting a Medicaid application that is going to get approved and save your family the most amount of money. There's a few other reasons why you should work with an elder law attorney. The first one is that they are, in fact, an attorney. They have what is called a fiduciary obligation to you as their client. That's a fancy word. What does that mean, fiduciary? That means that as an attorney, they are obligated to represent your best interests. Now, think about it. When that lovely lady in the finance office at the nursing home offers to help you out for free, does she have an obligation to you? No. If anything, she has an obligation to her employer, the nursing home. And now I'm going to let you in on a dirty little secret. In New York State, all of the nursing homes take Medicaid. You could have a room in a nursing home with 2 beds. In one bed, there is a private pay patient who's paying about $17,000 a month. In the other bed, getting the exact same care is a patient whose care is paid for by Medicaid. And that facility has contracted with Medicaid to take a lot less than $17,000 a month for that bed. Do you think the nursing home owner is trying to help you get on Medicaid faster so that they can receive less money? I don't know. What do you think? A second reason you want to work with an elder law attorney is that we know planning techniques that are not available to the staff at a nursing home. Not only are we going to really carefully review your family circumstances to find out if you qualify for any of the 100% permitted loopholes, but we're also going to know about all of the options that are really only reserved for attorneys. I'll give you a few quick examples. Number one, if you have a child who is disabled, you can transfer all of your assets to that child and qualify for Medicaid right away. That disability doesn't have to be cognitive. I have a client whose daughter was receiving Social Security disability because she had a knee injury that she had gotten during the course of her employment. And we were able to transfer about $1 million of assets from mom to the daughter, and mom was able to qualify for Medicaid right away. The nursing home did not tell the family about this option. Finally, the third reason to work with an attorney on a Medicaid application is that we are actually responsible for the legal advice that we give you. If I give you bad advice, which isn't going to happen, you can sue me. I have professional liability insurance. I'm responsible to you. If a nursing home gives you bad advice, what recourse do you have? I'm sorry, but I don't think you have any. Okay, I want to sum everything up. I think you know the drill. I think it's really important that you work with an elder law attorney to complete a Medicaid application? There's three main reasons. Number one, as attorneys, we have a fiduciary obligation to the client. That means we are responsible to you and nobody else. Number two, we have a lot of legitimate loopholes and planning techniques that we can offer our clients that an administrative assistant at a nursing home simply cannot. Number three, we're attorneys, we're officers of the court, and most of us have professional liability insurance. We have to give you good advice, and if we don't, you can hold us accountable. Now, I know that moving a loved one into a nursing home facility is a very difficult time. You're worried, you want to make sure that they have the best care, but you're also worried and want to try and preserve the assets that they have saved over their lifetime. That money is there to create a legacy for children, grandchildren, charitable causes, not to pay for long-term care when they're eligible for government assistance to pay for that care. At our office, we help families in this situation day in and day out. Please give us a call, speak with a member of our team, have a case evaluation, and we can also schedule a strategy session where we can go through your family's specific details and come up with a specific plan, and also calculate how many hundreds of thousands of dollars we may be able to save your family.